Hello guys, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to show you guys another traditional paper airplane that can be folded in 1 minute. Wow! Okay, again, this is a traditional plane. Wow! See that? See that? If you do it correctly, and if there is no wings, it's fly very far. Okay, I think that is enough for the super fighter. Alright, classic fighter is also this one. Thank you for watching, and let's make it now yourself. Let's fold the paper in half. Unfold the paper. Start from both sides of this edge first to the center crease. Repeat same fold for the other side. Alright, start from this edge first to the center crease. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Fold the whole part down here. Use this as reference for that. And fold this part of the paper up. Flip the paper over, fold it in half. Start from this edge, fold it down. Repeat the same fold for the other side. And now we're done with the next one.